Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat them, and then we'll blend the word together. V, e, n. Then, y, e, s. Yes. P, e, g. Peg. P, e, t. Pet. R, e, d. Red. Y, e, t. Yet. N, e, k. Neck. W, e, b. Web. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. The first word is set. S-e-t. Bed. B-e-d. Mess. M-e-s. Leg. L-e-g. Head. H-e-d. Net. N-e-t. Den. D-e-n. Bell. B-e-l. And jet. J-et. Good. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into 3 separate phonemes. Get. G-et. Fed. F-ed. Beg. B-e-g. Met. M-et. Men. M-e-n. Head. H-e-d. Vet. V-et. And cell. S-e-l. Good. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is ben. Change b to t. 10. The word is neck. Change n to d. Deck. The word is red. Change r to l. Lead. The word is beg. Change b to p. Peg. The word is less. Change l to m. Mess. Good. All right, now we're going to add some phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of our word, the rhyme. We'll add the beginning sound and we'll put them together to make a new word. The word is ed. Add h to the beginning. Head. The word is et. Add m to the beginning. Met. The word is l. Add b to the beginning. Bell. The word is egg. Add p to the beginning. Peg. The word is n. Add m to the beginning. Men. Last exercise, phoneme deletion. So I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we're going to remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is 10 without t the word is N. The word is deck. Without D, the word is ek. The word is lead. Without L, the word is ed. The word is peg. Without P, the word is egg. The word is mess. Without M, the word is S. Awesome. Good job.